Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good day everyone. So in this video, I will show you how we can use menu given here to draw an object. So basically you can see in this column, in this ribbon, there are several menus such as line, polyline, circle, arc, rectangle, etc. So you can use this for drawing. And next we have modify. We have move, rotate, trim, erase. If you don't remember what's the name of that menu, you can bring your cursor to that icon at the menu. Okay, normally they will appear pop-up to tell you what that menu is all about. Sorry, tak keluar pula yang ni. Okay, tak apa. So, saya akan tunjukkan. Okay, first let's draw some box using line. So, click line. Okay, click line and then you can see that this is 2D interface where there is X and Y. So you can enter the click line and then there will appear a command here. This is how the software interact with you. So they ask you to specify first point. So let's say our first point is x0, y0. So we can enter value 0, comma 0. Enter. So you can see that it will bring your first point to the x0, y0 coordinate. Okay, next I want to go 10 units to the right. So I can enter the value x 10, comma, and y is 0. Enter. So this is okay. This is 10, and then I want to go up. I can use the value x0, comma, y is 10. Enter. And go to the left. X10, negative 10, comma, y0. Enter. And then I want to close this. So either you can pick this point or you can choose close. Alright. So now we have one box. This is a method on how we can use coordinate. Another method is you click line. For example, I want to make rectangle next to the existing rectangular square. So we can pick this point. So you can see that when I bring my mouse to this point, it will automatically detect this point. So in case you do not have the endpoint snap like this, go to this snap cursor to the 2D reference point, right click. So right click and then you can choose endpoint, and this is other methods or other buttons that you can check. So you can it can help you easily to snap any midpoint, center, or quadrant, intersection, etc. Okay. So if I don't check this one, let's see, it's so difficult to, because this is already have intersection. So let's say we don't have intersection, we don't have endpoint, so it's so difficult to detect the point. So I will bring endpoint and intersection back. So I want to create the another square. So I bring this. This is my first point, and I bring my cursor straight. So it's already know that the degree is 0. So I will just enter 10. Enter. Bring they up straight. 10. Enter. And this one, I will choose this point. Enter. So now we have two boxes using two different methods. First using coordinate, and this one just entering the value. So next, let's draw some circle. So for circle, there are several methods on how we can draw a circle. We can specify center point for circle, or we can use 3 point, or we can use 2 point, or we can use tangent radius. So let's say I want to use 3 point. So invalid point, so escape. So here I will choose 3 point. So I will choose midpoint here, and here. So now I have a circle in the middle of the box. So now I want to create another circle, but I want to use a center radius. And the center is, because when we already create the first circle, so it has center. Now I want to use the same point for making the second circle. So click there, and let's say my radius is 3. Enter. Alright. So I want to erase this second box. So you can use this one, erase. And then you can select object one by one, or you can simply use the green box that I showed you before. Okay. And then we already select the object and then press enter. Okay, now let's do some arc. To draw out, there are a lot of options that you can choose. Now I want to choose 3 point. So I choose this point, and then I choose center here, and then specify endpoint here, and then done. And then I want to repeat the same. I press enter, specify first point, center, and this point, enter. Okay, done. It's done. Okay. Now let's do some. I want to erase this point. Erase, enter. So now I want to rotate. I want to rotate the whole thing here. So I select all, enter, specify base point. Let's say this is our point. So you can rotate based on what degree. So let's say I want to rotate 45 degree. So it will go up. And I want to copy. Let's make a copy. Click copy. Oh, before that, let's mirror. Let's mirror this one. So click mirror, and then I will select object, press enter, and then specify first point of mirror line. I will choose this as my first point, and then this is my second point. Erase source object? No. Okay, so now we have two object has been mirrored. So I want to mirror again. I want to mirror all of this. Enter. Specify first point of mirror line. So you have to always read the command here, what they want you to do. So first, specify first mirror point, and then second point, and next erase source object. No. Okay, now we have our object. So next, I want to make a copy. Copies object, and then select object, enter, and you can press enter, or you can right click your mouse. Okay, and then specify base point. Let's say this is our base point. Then I want to move here. Okay, and then if you want to make a copy again, just make it like this. And then if you're done, press enter. Okay, next, what we can do, we can move the object. Let's say I want to move this one. Enter. So I want to move from here to here. And I want to move this one. So I press enter. Select object. Select object and then press enter. Specify base point. Let's say I want to make it a line. Tak boleh pula. Okay, so we can go down. Okay, that's how we can use move. And then you can try to explore another modified menu in this provided here. Okay, so I think that's the basic thing that you can try to do to make a drawing. So I will see you in next video. Bye bye.